This video is initiated by Set Vidya Mandir English High School for students of senior KG. My name is Mamta Bhatia from Pre-Primary Maharashtra State Board, subject Maths, topic More or Less. Hello children, hope you all are doing well. First, we will understand the concept of more and less. In first sign shows more. Second sign shows less. Third sign shows equal. In maths, more means bigger, less means smaller, and equal sign means same. Today we all will be learning more or less or equal. In this example, you can see a rabbit. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. So, in left side, you all can see carrot. And in right side, you all can see carrot. So, we will be going to count the carrot. In left side, 1, 2, 2. And in right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So, 5 is more than 2. And 2 is less than 5. Now in next example, you can see a monkey. Monkey loves to eat banana. So in left side, you can see banana. And in right side, you also can see banana. Now in left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas. In right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas. So, 8 is more than 4, or you can say 4 is less than 8. Now, in next example, you can see panda. Panda likes to eat pastries. In left side, you can see some pastries, and in right side also some pastries are there. So, we will count the pastries. 1, 2, 3. 3 pastries. In right side, 1, 2, 3 pastries. So, he can eat from left or right. Both the sides are equal. So, 3 equal 3. Now we are going to solve the practice sheet. In left side there are chocolates, and in right side there are also chocolate. Now we'll 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates. And in right side 1, 2. 2 chocolates. So 3 is more than 2. Or you can say 2 is less than 3. In left side 2 gifts are there. And in right side there is 4 gifts. So 1, 2 gifts. And in right side 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 4 is bigger than 2. Or you can say 2 is less than 4. Now in left side there is 2 sandwiches. 1, 2. And in right side 2 sandwiches. 1, 2. Both the sides are equal. So 2 equal to 2. practice sheet. You all have to do it. Try to solve it as I have shown in earlier slide. You have to keep doing practices. Thank you children and stay safe.